lalana uJackson uyashada, but-ke akafuna ukuthi umfazi wakhe to be the one that is paying for some of the things. He says uyindoda yomZulu, he wants to be paying for everything and doesn't want Martha to get involved. This actually made uThandiswa a bit upset that there's nothing beautiful about the union. Nakhona this union, we know ukuthi inobuthakathi ngakhona ingangaphakathi. It's got something yobumnyama nje. There's something that is wrong and crooked about their union. So Ayikente Umamiki was a bit surprised and shocked. Why would you say such thing? These people, they need to celebrate love. They've been together for the longest time. Why are you being so mean to them? Athi ayikho into emnandi ngabo labo bethu. We know. Sonke siyazi ukuthi there's something wrong ngabo, so there's nothing that deserves a celebration. Well, they're actually happy, and it looks like they saying that they want to try for a baby. So because they took the other baby for sacrifice, now they want to try for another one. Let's see if they get one. But that would happen obviously after they've decided, after the wedding ceremony, because now kuthiwa-ke uJackson bamnikeza isithixo ukuba azofuna azolala endaweni yakhe, because he cannot be sleeping with the bride before the bride walks down the aisle. So I'm just like, izophelela phi le ndaba, because uJackson is already complaining ukuthi, okay, what if sishada after 3 years? Shuthi mina ngeke ngize ngithole for 3 years. We avelthanda ikhekhe. Avelthanda ikhekhe uJackson bafethu. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. So the large part of today's episode, it was between Sakile, Petunia, Thabo, and Ugogo. So Sakile was shocked to find out ukuthi uThabo knows ukuthi yena ungumbulali. And also Thabo was like, when Petunia, you knew about this whole thing and then you kept quiet, pretend as if you don't know nothing. I know I only knew it 3 days ago, and since then I was not happy. I was trying to come to terms with everything Zagala, but then why did you not talk? Thabo asks. And then now, as Thabo was getting angry and the anger escalating to another level, and then there was a knock at the door. Opened the door, Gantu Gogo Njani Mfanwan came at the right time. Petunia sitting there, uyakhala, and Sakile acting all normal and everything. Now Gogo asks, Petunia, alright ngani yami? Athi cha Gogo, uThabo zama ukusibulala. uThabo wathi ngompu, wathi sana ndijwayela kosh. Jwayela kabi ke wena ke ngizokukhomba ke amabele wenyonga. Thi ngesibhamula ekhanda. Manje ugogo athi, you know what, you actually don't know the truth, you don't know everything that has happened. Let me explain to you. Kahle kahle umuntu ocela uSakile ukuthi abulale ubaba wakho yimina. Sakile naye sokuyamangala ke ukuthi what is going on. Athi no gogo, wena unamanga, you just trying to speak on his behalf, and then amtshele ukuthi lalela ubaba wakho beka busy ahlukumeza uma wakho, and if angenelelanga kucisha mbulala. So ngabona ukuthi kungcono ngisindise uma wakho yena bese ubaba wakho uyabulawa. Because ubaba wakho beyasoloko ashaya uma wakho amhlukumeza ngendlela isimanga, and I couldn't sit and watch. Oh, Thabo was crying. Athatha umbwanekeza uSakile, and then he took out the phone and put on the floor, and then he was expecting Sakile to call the police to come and arrest him, but Sakile did not. Sakile said, you know what, I actually understand your anger, I understand where you're coming from, and I'm not going to call the police on you. And then usewuhlukumezeke kakhulu for me to even extend my hand ngikubizele amaphoyisa for lento lewayenza. So lesi senze leso, I'm sure you're just gonna make it as if it never happened. So now, after the proposal yaka Jackson, and then Umamiki is saying that we need to do a celebration, a small celebration. And then now, when Jackson was with his wife to be, then she decided Umatha, because they said they were just gonna go to Homa first. Then Umatha decided, kahle kahle ngifuna indumo ezulu yo mshado, ngifuna isithabathaba. And then I told Jackson, okay, wait for me to get my salary, and then I can actually make indumo ezulu yomshado. Siyabonga ke uTim noTiny ngathi izinto zihamba kahle. uTim decided to go and see his wife, and they sat down and they talk. Wabuza ke unkosikazi ukuthi awuyangixolela yini baba? Athi yebo ngiyaxolela, kodwa lesenzo wasenza ngicela ungaphinde athi lutho. Angeke kuze kwenzakala ukuthi ngiphinde ngisenze leso senzo, nakhona ngiyafunga ngiyagomela. that whatever ofuna ngiyenze ngizoyenza ukuze wena unethezeke and be sure ukuthi mina nawe regathatseleng A1. Now Tiny is just now explaining this whole thing to her friends, saying ukuthi no, you know what, mina noTimo sakhuluma nonkosikazi wakhe, I think mina nonkosikazi wakhe zoba bangani kanjani, uba bangani nonkosikazi kaTimo kanjani. She thinks things are so light. Athi lesithembule singesidriver ngiyomake sure that we are happy and sorted. Mina I don't see them being friends kahle kahle. Ngibona ngathi uTimo asamxolele lo mama uyotshintsha ukode imbalungo luyimbo. I just don't trust that she is going to actually be friends and the way yena abona ngathi kulula ngakhona. I don't see that happening. Maybe it's just me, maybe mina ngislow or something, but I don't see it happening. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and also please remember on this channel we do not post full episodes. What we do, we review full episode on a daily basis, and I post what I have a review of the previous video. So there is no way that you'll come to my channel and find a full episode video. Can you stop harassing me, guys? I do not post full episode. Please, ngiyanicela bakwethu, ngiyanicela, even those ones that come to my video and say, can I just review the entire video with the Zulu? I'm not a Zulu speaking person, but I try and accommodate other languages that I know how to speak. So ngiyanicela ngomoya wesonto, ngomoya wakereke, please, can we be nice to each other? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, just nice comment, just be nice. Ngiyabonga.